not your style, what I said, the game that I would probably expect you to want to see this afternoon. Not the game that you would probably want to see from your team this afternoon. A tough game, not a smooth game, a fluent game. Just tell us about it and what this result means for the team.
I love the intensity of the game, the spirit of the game was played in good spirit. We play some ball in some aspect of the game. We show that we can pass the ball, we keep the ball some of the time, which I'm pleased with. But the fight we showed from the last game, I saw some of it in this game. So we are trying to put both things together. The work rate and the playing wise. Yeah. And I think later on we'll get that. But it wasn't a bad game, it wasn't a bad result. We missed some chances. I think we should have won the game. We create numerous chances, and that is good for me. We see that we are creating chances, and that's what we ask of the players.
Yeah. Let's talk about the five coach. You think that is limiting the amount of chances you create though? Like you say you create chances, but not a lot more creative to you, but you think that limiting the amount of chances you create until you can create that balance?
Yeah, that limited us, yes. But you know, Tivoli is a team that will sit down, they don't allow you to sit back. They are pressing, and I think we handle the press well. You know, we bounce them out some of the time, and we should have scored, and I said, but we have some young players in the team just playing Premier League for the first occasion, so they're a bit shy and nervous, I saw it in some of our players. But as I said, we just have to continue work and try and build these players, you know, let them know that the Premier League is not a joke thing. Yeah. You know, the intensity high, and they have to come with their A game at all time. That's what we are preparing them for if they want to go to the next level, so they have to show it out here on the pitch.
And certainly though, coach, you're definitely looking to stay in the top six.
Yeah man, definitely, and even get closer up to the leaders. I think we are improving. I love it, we are improving, and that is important.